हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल में नॉलेज की दुनिया। अगर आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से जाकर हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। तो आज का टॉपिक है सुपरलेटिव्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। टॉलेस्ट एनिमल ऑन लैंड जिराफ। बिगेस्ट बेल टिसार बेल मॉस्को। फास्टेस्ट बर्ड peregrine falcon 322 km/h. Largest bird ostrich. Smallest bird bee hummingbird. Longest bridge railway Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, Beijing, China. Tallest building Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Tallest residential building 432 Park Avenue, New York, US. Biggest cinema house Roxy, New York. Highest city Vientiane, Tibet, China. 16,732 feet. Largest city in population Tokyo. Biggest city in area New York, 8,683 square kilometer. Largest continent Asia. Smallest continent Australia. Largest country in population China. Largest country in area Russia. Largest coral formation the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Largest dam the Three Gorges Dam, China. Longest day June 21 in Northern Hemisphere. Shortest day December 22 in Northern Hemisphere. Largest delta Sundarbans Delta, India, 8,000 square miles. Largest desert world Sahara, Africa. Largest diamond the Q-Linan. Longest epic the Mahabharata. Largest island Greenland, renamed Kaladat Nunath. Largest lake artificial Lake Volta, Ghana. Deepest lake Baikal, Siberia, Russia. Highest lake Titicaca, Bolivia. Largest lake freshwater Lake Superior, USA. Largest lake saltwater Caspian Sea. Largest mosque Masjid al-Haram, Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Biggest library National Cave Library, Moscow. Biggest library National Cave Library, Moscow, and Library of the Congress, Washington. Highest mountain peak world Everest, Nepal. Highest mountain range Himalayas. Longest mountain range Andes, South America, about 7,000 km in length. Biggest museum Louvre, Paris. Tallest minaret freestanding Qutub Minar, Delhi, 238 feet. Deepest and biggest ocean the Pacific. Largest place Imperial Place, Gyeonggang, Beijing, China. Largest park Northeast Greenland National Park, Greenland. Largest peninsula Arabia. Coldest place or region Vostok, Antarctica. Temperature 93.2 degrees Celsius. Driest place Atacama Desert, South America. Largest planet Jupiter. Brightest and hottest planet also nearest to Earth, Venus. Farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune. Nearest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Smallest planet, Mercury. Highest plateau, Pamir, Tibet. Longest platform railway, Gorakhpur, UP, India. Largest platform railway, Grand Central Terminal, New York, USA. Largest port of Shanghai, China. Busiest port of Shanghai, China. Longest railway, Trans-Siberian Railway, 5,772 miles long. 60 longest river, Nile, 6,690 km. Amazon, 6,570 km. Longest river dam Hirakud Dam, Odisha. Largest seabird, albatross. Largest sea inland, Caspian Sea. Brightest star, Sirius, also called dog star. Tallest statue, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Statue of Unity, 182 meter. Sadhu Bet near Sardar Sarovar Dam, Gujarat, India. Tallest statue, bronze. Bronze statue of Lord Buddha, Tokyo, Japan. Tallest tower, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Longest and deepest rail tunnel, Gotthard Tunnel, Switzerland. Longest and largest canal tunnel, Le Rouvre Tunnel, south of France. Longest tunnel road, Lærdal, Norway, 24.51 km. Highest volcano, Ujus del Salado, Andes, Argentine, Chile. Largest volcano, Mauna Loa, Hawaii. Longest wall, Great Wall of China, 1500 miles. Highest waterfall, Salto Angels Falls, Venezuela. Longest strait, Strait of Malacca. Broadest strait, Davis Strait, Greenland and Baffin Island, Canada. Narrowest strait, Cholix, 45 yards, between the Greek mainland, the island of Euboea in the Aegean Sea. Largest gulf, Gulf of Mexico, shoreline, 2100 miles. Largest archipelago, Mali Archipelago, Indonesia. Tallest active geyser, Steamboat Geyser, Yellowstone National Park, USA, 300 feet. Largest river basin, Amazon Basin. World's rainiest spot, Mawsym Ram, Meghalaya, India. Lightest gas, hydrogen. Lightest metal, lithium. Highest melting point, tungsten, 3422 degrees Celsius. Hardest substance, synthetic, Wurtzite boron nitride. Writes, hardest substance comes from meteorites. Hardest substance comes from meteorites. Loans dilate. Hardest natural substance found on Earth, diamond. Largest diamond producing mine, Orapa, Botswana. Longest animal, blue whale. Recorded length 106 feet, weight 195 tons. Longest lifespan of an animal, 190 to 200 years, giant tortoise. Largest land animal, African bush elephant. Fastest animal, cheetah, leopard. Longest jump animal, kangaroo. Longest wing spread bird, sooty albatross. Fastest dog, Persian greyhound. Longest poisonous snake, king cobra. Biggest flower, Rafflesia arnoldii, Java. Largest church, Basilica of St. Peter, Vatican City, Rome, Italy. Largest temple, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Largest river in volume, Amazon, Brazil. Longest corridor, Pulse Corridor, Rameshwaram, Ramanath Swami Temples Corridor, Rameshwaram, 5000 feet. Highest state dam, Bhakra Dam, India. Highest capital, India, La Paz, Bolivia. Largest Asian desert, Gobi, Mongolia. Largest democracy, India. Largest snake animal, giraffe. Largest animal of the cat family, lion. Most intelligent animal, chimpanzee. Birds that never makes its nest, Koko. Wingless bird, kiwi. Reptile which changes its color, chameleon. Largest mammal, blue whale. Smallest country, Vatican City. Smallest city, Vatican City. Country with lowest population density, Antarctica. Country with Highest population density, Singapore. Least populated city, Vatican City. Country with longest border, Canada. Country with maximum adjoining borders, China. 13 countries. Shortest river, Roe River, 201 feet per 61 मीटर लॉन्ग। तो गाइस कैसे लगे हमारी वीडियो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं।